The last thing that we are going to do is make our URLs more user-friendly. Now, to me, this is not a big deal at all, but when you select commands, there are some developers that have a preference, and they would prefer that everything be lowercase and that there be a slash on the end. And like I said, to me, not a big deal. But we are going to add services to startup that will configure the URL that way. So we are going to go into startup. And you can see I've kind of commented it out. I've already keyed it in. So I'm going to remove the comment. So basically, this is a routing service. So we've got services.addRouting. And for our Lambda, we are going to be adding a couple options. The first one is for lowercase URLs. We're setting that to true. The second one is to append a trailing slash. We are setting that to true. So I'll just quick run a little build here. And then I'm going to run this again. And now when I click on the link, it is all lowercase with the slash on the end. Okay, so this is true of any command. However, if I key the command in, it's going to keep it the way that I type it. Okay, so I keyed it in with a capital G, lowercase I. It's keeping it that way. But if I click on any of the commands, it converts to lowercase. And that is the last change that you needed to make. So make sure you've saved everything, and you are going to want to add this to GitHub. And you probably are not going to see add to source control because you downloaded and cloned my GitHub repo. And so it's already on GitHub. And what you're going to need to do to add this to yours, first of all, you're going to have to find your project. And you're going to have to take the Git folder and delete it. Then you come back in here, you're going to close your solution, and then you can reopen this. And once you reopen, it should say add to source control. Okay, and then you can just add as normal. And after you've added it to Git, remember to copy your URL, paste it into the Dropbox.